Hello friends, now we will watch the unboxing video of external hard drive Seagate Backup Plus. I have ordered this from the Flipkart. You can see here the logo. Now let's have a look. Here you can see the box of hard disk. Now we'll open the box. Here is the bill. It's 7018. Now we will take out the hard disk. You can see here the Backup Plus Seagate USB 3.0 2 TB hard disk. It's a nice packing. Here is the seal. If the seal is broken, don't accept the hard disk. Now we'll open the box. Here is also one seal. We have to cut it down. Here is the box. Now we will open. We will see what's inside. This is our hard disk. It's having a nice packing. You can see here. These are the user manual, warranty card, etc. And this is a 2 TB hard disk. We will open this. We will now open this hard disk. You can see here, this is for cooling purpose.